Blocking someone on PaySera can help you manage your account and maintain your privacy. Follow these simple steps to block a user quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your PaySera account by entering your username and password on the official website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Contacts. Once logged in, find the Contacts or Friends section in your account dashboard. This is where you can see all your connections. Step 3. Locate the user. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use PaySera to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Block option. On the user's profile page, look for the option to block or remove the contact. This is usually represented by a button or link. Step 5. Confirm the action. After selecting the block option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Click Yes or Confirm to finalize the blocking process. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on PaySera and ensure your account remains secure.